You're live.
Hello, I'm Robert the Plumber, and today we're going to install a water heater. This is a 40-gallon capacity, and over here on the table are going to be some of the tools and products that we need to install that water heater. Okay. You got your matte gas. We're going to use this to sweat on some new fittings. Sorted wrenches in the toolbox that we're going to need to use. Some copper parts and fittings, and then we'll talk about those as we go along in the video here. The first thing we want to do is start draining this water heater. So I'm going to hook up the garden hose here. Okay, make sure the water is on. So we got water pressure, and we're gonna open up the hose bib down here. That's gonna allow us to get things draining. Whose PVC is it? Hey, you didn't bring this PVC in here, did you? This 1 1/4 inch? Okay, we got a good flow going there now. We're going to shut the water off. We're going to open up one of the flex lines. That'll create a vacuum break to allow the hot water to drain out of the bottom of the tank. We hit a damn speed bump, man, coming in over here. Okay, we're going to remove a couple of screws on the flue pipe. This is the exhaust vent. We'll get that out of the way. Okay. Then we cut and remove these copper lines. We're going to put on new lines up here. This is the TNP relief line for your temperature and pressure relief. We're going to cut this off here. Like that. Now when the water heater's drained fully, we're ready to take it down and get it ready for the new one. Okay, you can cut that. Are you still going? Uh-huh. Okay, here. flux. Okay, we'll sand those pipes off and be ready to put on some new connectors.
You're on.
Well, it's about time. I'm Robert the Plumber.